I don't know on the way. I know waterfalls. Um, don't go jumping waterfalls. Please keep to the lake. People who jump waterfalls sometimes can make mistakes. And I need your love. Yeah, I need love. Like a second needs an hour. Like a raindrop needs a shower. Yeah, I need love. Every minute of the day. Every minute of the day. Never want to be the same. If you should ever decide to go away. Don't go chasing polar bears in the great unknown. Some big friendly polar bear might want to take you home. And I need love, yeah, I need love. Like a castle needs a tower, like a garden needs a flower. Yeah, I need love, say I need love. Like a raindrop needs a shower, like a second needs an hour. Every minute of the day. And it wouldn't be the same if you should decide to go away. Don't go jumping waterfalls. No, no, no. Yeah, I don't really remember any of these other ones. Like bogey music, huh? Everybody bogey, dig that bogey beat. Man, that bogey rhythm smells so clean and sweet. Everybody bogey, bogey on the street. Without bogey music, life is incomplete. Without bogey music, life is incomplete. Everybody bogey, dig that bogey beat. If you little bogies want to sing along, clean your bogey up, act up, and learn the bogey song. Without bogey music, life is incomplete. Without bogey music, life is incomplete. Silly. Yeah. A lot of it's just him playing around with the synthesizer, you know? That album. I don't remember any of the other tracks. It's just like I used to have Kiss albums, but I can't remember half the song. I can't remember any of the songs, only the major ones, you know. And I know that I must have listened to those Kiss albums about as much as I listened to ELO albums, but I can't remember any of the songs. Probably because the ELO I just kept listening to, and the Kiss I just, you know, it was the Kiss thing was just really it was a fad, you know. So the music wasn't really stuff that you would play all the time. I guess some people would, but I fell out of that stuff. That was just kind of a something everybody had, you know, and they were new and different, and they were doing something that nobody else was doing. Let's see. We're recording here. I'll cut this one off and